their adoption into the church. Idolatry stands side by side with making the sign of the cross. AD 320, veneration of angels and saints and use of images. 375, Mass as a daily celebration. AD 394, beginning of the exaltation of Mary's Mother of God. AD 431, Doctrine of Purgatory. AD 593, prayers for the dead. And to Mary, AD 600, kissing the Pope's feet. AD 79, holy water. AD 850, canonization of dead saints. AD 995, and the greatest abomination of all in the sight of God, Sunday sacredness as the holy day of God. Constantine the Great, March 7, 321 AD, on this day,